Like, you know when people like in movies like they just put on their neck and their neck cracks and then they die? I really hate though. I'm not even kidding. I hate when you go like this and you feel that thing in your neck. I feel like I'm gonna die. I snap my neck. I can't move. Hey, attention to this. Oh yeah. Not good. Nice. It was 89.
Move! Move! Go!
Dude, it's so intimidating to me with Ryan.
Because you don't want to look bad. It's not Ryan is there.
Oh, it's such a jerk.
Ryan!
Ryan.
This one. What is his name?
Wait, what is this? What middle? Watch him. Come on! Get there, Adam.
Gabe. Too much time, guys. Let's go. Why are you guys watching?
Come on, Josh. Oh, get there, Josh.
Shoot, Josh, shoot!
Oh, you got it. Oh! Josh, bring it. Okay, it's loose. Yeah!
There you go. That's why you keep on moving, guys.
Everybody!
Dude.
Yeah, I'm out there!
Vinny, you guys gotta move, okay? Let's talk and start thinking.
That's a complete blind pass.
Good job, guys. Make sure you drink.
Nice job, guys.
Nice and hard, boys. There you go. Nice. Get there. Good job, man. Way to hustle.
I got the second assist, but good.
You get it, then come through your tongue, right?
Come on, shoot.
Oh, how do they go around?
One easy.
He's coming.
I didn't even know he was there.
Butts to the boards, Matt. And got Christy. Who's over there on that side? Ah, what is that? Keep her going. Go, Vin. You got it clear. Matt, butt to the boards.
Get over there.
Yeah, get over there. Good. There you go. Keep her going. Stay back, Vinny. Vinny, cover. Nice shot. Keep her. Hey, Robbie, he's that body. Keep behind him, Rick. You got three. Oh, step up. Play it across. Come on, play it across. Good, Vinny. Good hustle. Good up, let's go.
Sometimes we're going to do everything.
Hey, you hit the crossbar. I tipped that. Wait, did you hit the crossbar?
Hey, it's okay. Come on. Good chip. Hey, Vinny. Good chip.
Dude, Matt shot it.
If you see it go up, you gotta come back, okay?
It's all right.
Matt, get your butt to the board.
Dude, the crossbar already sucked. Yeah. You see what happened? Rob was coming down, there's a guy chasing him.
Hard.
No, I swear to God. Dude, Matt, when you shot it though, I swear it hit off my stick like I felt it.
all no credibility. Dude, and then the guy was just sitting there stick handling when I came up top.
Come on, get up and help.
It's out.
We got totally
Go to front.
We got totally demolished against the boards.
Okay. Come on, Gabe. Look. Watch the board.
I got a.
Guys, when you get your pucks to the board, then you see the pass, okay? You see what's happening.
Come on, guys. Just put it on the top of the other one.
Okay.
Look, Chris.
Alright.
That'll be shot.
Everybody? Everybody up!
Except for Gabe.
It looks tournaments that
Can we see what's happening?
Did they score on him?
No, they didn't score. I don't know if he got
Good save!
Gabe, watch behind you, Gabe. Oh, Joey! You got Joey! Yeah, Joey!
You got two of you!
Stick on you. Two, Drake! Got Joey!
He didn't even try. That looked
Christian,
way too easy.
coach. Give a rest for Christian for center. Hey! Yeah. Drink up. Came back and got me, I know. So watch, you got Joey open. I know.
Go, Crusty, go! Yeah.
Get over there!
It's either staying.
Right in front, Chris!
I don't remember.
Shoot, Drake, shoot!
Somebody else's last name.
Gotta get those low!
Christian.
Play drop! Yes, good!
And then Crusty.
Got Joey! Oh! Come on, Joe! Keep! Work! Right? Next! Come on, Eagles! Come! Christian! Hard! Look! Defense, Coach! Defense! Coach, Drake's calling to come out. Put it in! Oh, Joe! Come on, boys! See? Yo! It's tired, leave it!
Watch Christian!
Here goes Joe! 2-on-1! Coach, let's go, defense. Get one out, one. Adam, watch the guy behind you. Watch your step! You gotta get Rob out. Next defense. Hey, back up. Get over there. Go!
It's so funny that you swat like whenever.
Shoot!
Come on, Joel!
That's forward line. It's like game time. Is that what? Christian. So go back out. That's second. What do you want? What do you want to do?
Okay, we're gonna get right back to our lines again. How much time is that? 2:30.
Boards! Boards! Nope.
Nice.
Go! Over the middle!
Come in front, Chris! Chris! Come in front, there you go. Got it.
Feet, Gage, feet!
Matt! Open up! Harder, Adam, no backhand. Let's go, let's get it in there. Come on, Adam, use your head now. Hard, look. Trying to break out.
Third line. Fitz and Colin.
Open yourself up a little bit more. Go, Fitz, go. Go, Fitz, go. You got Colin.
Okay, there you go.
Toe the line.
I've only played 4 seasons. Yeah, in season. 2 summers and 2 I played many seasons.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on, Gabe.
Dump that, Gabe.
Dump and work.
How do you even know?
Too deep, Adam. What? This is too deep.
Defense!
Defense.
You're a little happy there, girl.
Be careful on going too deep, okay? Too deep, man. A little bit more back. About 6 more steps back.
Wait. First one. So it's me, right? It's me. Just to give Gabe a break that one time. That's it.
Yeah, Christian, get used to it.
Big shot.
What is that, 6 seconds left? Or is that
6. 6.6.
No, there's not. There's so far.
Go back.